Everything that comes into Henry-Griffitts, shafts, heads, and grips, is torn apart out of the boxes and evaluated for whether it can go into the good bin or not. We weigh our shafts and we roll the shafts and we frequency the shafts. They do have tolerances that we have to accept, but not too many companies actually check that to see if they're within that spec. This is the machine that we use to actually determine the flexes. But basically, we have the hydraulic set up where it puts the same amount of pressure on there, so it's always consistent. And it comes up with a number and it tells us where to put it. So every shaft goes through this. So what we do is frequency everything, and when you order a set based off the length, we'll pull them all out of the same one. And then that number is recorded on that form, so we know where to pull the next one that they order out. So this is our cutting machine. And the nice thing about this machine, it's all computerized up here. So if you order a set of golf clubs that you want, a ½ inch over standard, we'll move it to it. If you want a quarter, call it out. We'll do a quarter for you. Henry-Griffitts believes in every club feeling the same. So we do what we call a frequency flat line. From that 5-iron to that pitching wedge will be no more than 12 cycles. In most cases, on a set of golf clubs, they cut everything off the tip, and you're looking at close to 30 cycles difference between a 5 and a 3 and a pitch. That set takes us 2 cuts to make it complete, to make that frequency match. Henry-Griffitts has proven and knows that this is the way to cut. So the next step is going to be the sanding. This is where we'll prep that tip so that it gets ready for the epoxy, rough it up. And we're going to hand turn it on here so we can feel for those bent shafts. Because that'll, as we're rotating that shaft, it'll tell us, well, this shaft's really out of whack, let's replace it.